AI is about to make a lot of digital products very irrelevant. Here's the thing. AI is a massive opportunity. It's the reason a normal person like me was able to build a six-figure business from scratch and walk away from my 9-to-5 life within 18 months. But it's also the biggest threat to digital businesses right now. Because if you're still selling a product like a simple planner or a single journal or one static PDF in 2026, it's a complete waste of your time. We've officially entered a new era of digital products, and I don't want you to be left behind. And so in this video, I'm going to show you what makes a digital product profitable in this new era. I'm also going to show you my 80-20 AI formula so that you can create products that people actually will buy and not just ask ChatGPT for free. And I'm going to give you my AI sales stack system that will turn AI into a cash machine for your business. So let's start with a question that one of my students asked me recently inside my community. And I've left the link for my community below, by the way. And I know you're also probably thinking the same thing as this student, right? And she asked, why would anyone buy my ebook or buy my guide when they can just ask ChatGPT for pretty much the same information for free? And for context, she had created a guide for overwhelmed women, right? And this is exactly what my answer was to her. You're not gonna create that product, okay? Because it's not gonna sell. Why? Because people don't need an ebook to give them information that is already very freely available on the internet, and therefore very available through AI. It was way too generic. And the thing is, AI has killed the generic digital product. So there was one huge thing my student had to change, and that was how specific her product was going to be. We were not going to have her sell a guide to overwhelmed women. No. Instead, we created a system for Christian women who felt overwhelmed in their prayer routine. And then inside that system, we included a mini app, a masterclass, and a habit tracker, all built with AI in less than 24 hours. Now, can you see how different it is? It has a very specific context, but even more importantly, it has credibility and it has identity because it was rooted in my students' actual lived experience. This was a problem she had. She had found solutions that had helped her, and now she could help others get a similar result. And so we are now in the game of selling solutions backed by our own examples and our own authentic stories. This is the type of digital product that is selling right now in the new AI era. Because the thing is, AI hasn't actually killed digital products, it's killed the lazy and generic ones. And if you want to win in this era, there is a very specific way you need to create your products to actually make money. And I call it my 80-20 AI formula, and it works like this. Okay, so I've drawn this out so that you guys can follow it completely, right? You are going to be using AI for 80% of your creation. Now, it's so important that you know exactly what you should and shouldn't be using AI to do, because this could make or break your product, okay? So I'm gonna look at my notes. Here's the first thing that you're gonna use AI to do, which is brainstorm. And not just your ideas, but also your product angles, okay? So product angles. Now, this is really important, and you can't just give really generic prompts here. It doesn't work out, right? You actually need to be able to feed AI certain very important points to make this brainstorm work. And we're gonna cover that in the 20% in just a minute. Now, the second thing that AI is gonna help you do is outline and structure your product. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know that my favorite formats and that are selling really well right now are bundles, mini apps, masterclasses, and communities. I swear by all four of these products, and AI can help you outline. Now, I see people completely skipping this step, and this is why their digital products fall flat. You need to have a very specific structure for your digital products. You need to be really clear on what you're including and not including. Pro tip here here, don't just throw everything into your digital product because you think it's going to make it more valuable. The things that you have in there need to be helpful and need to help to solve the problem that your overall product is designed to solve, right? So that's really important. Don't overstuff your digital product, is what I'm trying to say. Now, the next one that you need to use AI to do, and agents work so well for this. I actually did a video where I showed you how to use AI agents, where you can basically give them a brief and they will go off and search the web for you. But you should be using AI to validate your own research. So you should be doing some of your own research first, whether that's in Reddit groups, Facebook groups, social media, Amazon. I actually done a video on validation. I'll link it below, but you can use AI agents to validate that research that you've done to make sure that there is demand for your digital product. If there isn't demand, there won't be anyone to buy it, and therefore you're going to struggle to make sales. Okay, so now the next thing is for creation. So I'm going to just write product creation here, because everything that we've covered so far are the steps that you need before you get to creation. You should be brainstorming, you should be outlining, you should be validating, and then you should be creating. Now, AI has advanced so much that it can help you create your own apps with zero coding experience. It's so cool. I call them mini apps. A lot of people are jumping on this now, but I've been talking about mini apps for a while, and you can find videos on my channel teaching you how to use AI to create these. Other products that AI can create completely from scratch include masterclass slides. If you're doing a masterclass, you want to present off slides, or you even want to present in a more interactive way like this, but AI can help you create those components, and then you can pull it all together into a bundle. My last one that I love to use AI for now is templates. Now, AI can even create Notion templates, Google Sheet templates, Canva templates if you so choose. There really is kind of limitless options now with AI actually creating your product. And I do have a full course that teaches you how to create a digital product, one that sells, a profitable digital product in less than 24 hours, actually using some of these AI product creation techniques. It's called the 24-hour AI product, and you can check that out in the description below. Okay, so this is the 80% that we're mainly going to be turning to AI to pretty much do for us, or do a lot of the heavy lifting. But what everyone is missing is this 20% that you still need to bring to the table. Now, it's so important that you don't just give AI 100% free reign to create your product, because then anybody can create the same product as you. And so this 20% is where your digital product becomes unique, stands out, and actually reflects your actual journey, right? So here's what you're bringing to the table here. You're bringing your life experience. Now, a lot of people think, oh, I need to be some sort of expert in my topic in order to create a digital product. And you probably think that too, like, I don't know enough about anything to create a digital product. And that's so not true. All you need is to be a couple of steps ahead of your audience. You need to be able to have figured out something they haven't quite figured out yet. And you need to be able to create a product that helps them get a result that you've already got, introduces them to a solution that you've already figured out, no matter how big or how small. Now, you also need to still research demand. Okay, now this is really important. Even though AI can do this for you, there is nothing like being able to go into places like Reddit, YouTube, Amazon, wherever it may be, and see for yourself the type of conversations that your audience is having. Are they actively looking for solutions that they would pay for, or is it a problem that they would just watch a YouTube video on? It's that kind of difference that can only come from your own research. And so it's so important you do some of your own initial research, and then you have AI validate it for you. Okay, so the next one is messaging. I'm running out of space here. Messaging and positioning. You need to position your product in a way that it stands out, not only from other people in your niche, but but also from what they can find in AI. So for example, my positioning, and I'm going to share this with you as a business coach, there are 10 a penny business coaches on YouTube teaching you how to create digital products and teaching you how to create an online business. My messaging, what makes me different and has me in my own lane, in my opinion, is that I teach you how to do it without burning out on social media. So that is my positioning, that is my messaging. I want you to think about your own messaging and your own positioning, and what about your product is different to the norm. You're looking for a contrarian angle here. What's different to what they're told that they usually have to do? That's your messaging, that's your positioning, and only you can bring that to the table. And so the last one is actually content and examples, okay? Now, a lot of people will just tell you, okay, ChatGPT or AI can create your ebook, write all the content, and you don't have to do a thing. And that is not true, because what you're again going to end up with is a very generic product that isn't any different to what your audience can find with AI. And so what you're bringing to the table is your actual content. I highly recommend that you voice chat with ChatGPT. So there is a little microphone in ChatGPT. I was going to show you it on my phone, but don't worry, there's a little microphone on ChatGPT, right? You can voice note, and then you can have AI refine your content. You can have it clean up your content. You can have it spell check your content, but the content should come from you so that it can remain authentic, and it also is original, okay? Now, the second thing that you need is your own examples. Again, don't think like an expert here. Think like someone that is 2 steps ahead of your audience. And so you can share the real examples of how you got to your solution. And it also helps your audience to understand your credibility and connect with you as your personal brand. Now think about it in action. If you go onto my channel, you will actually see my most viral video is just me talking about my story. It's not even me educating. It's not even me sharing all of this value that I do in all of my videos. It is my story. And so AI couldn't make that up. AI doesn't have a story. AI doesn't have real experiences. And that's why it's probably the most important part of this 20% that you could bring to the table. And so once your product is built, the worst thing you can do is just to stop here or keep making more products, because no one will actually buy your digital products if they don't know it exists and if you don't create the right sales system, okay? And so now it's time to lock into sales mode. There are 4 ways to use AI right now to help you sell more digital products. I call it my AI sales stack, and you use it like this, okay? Number 1 is platform. You use AI to create your entire sales platform. Now, this is the most important part of your business, especially if you want to automate and have a freedom-based business, because this is how people will pay you and how you will deliver your digital product. So what you want is a platform that is quick to set up and has all the features you need to make sales on autopilot no matter where you promote. Now, I love Hostinger for this because it has its AI website builder that will literally build your entire website in less than 10 minutes. And it works like this. You click the Hostinger link right below this video, you're going to land on this page. Now just scroll down and you're going to see the sign up options. Now for me, the value that you get with the website builder and business plan is just second to none. It's actually an 84% saving. And you can see all these features you get, like e-commerce, so you can take payments. You have 50 plus websites. You also have all of the built-in AI tools. Now, so for me, that plan is a no-brainer. And after the very quick sign-up process, you can actually get another 10% off if you use the code Rochelle, okay? So once the sign-up is done and you're inside the Hostinger website builder, you can then create a full website simply by adding your brand name. So choose your brand name, add it in here, and then a short description of what you're selling and what your brand is about, right? And then Hostinger will then use this as a prompt to create the entire website for you. Once it's done, you can then customize everything super easily. Colors, elements, layouts, everything is super customizable, and it's just using the drag and drop tools. So it's easy for anyone to do this, even if you have no tech experience. You can also use their AI features like the AI blog creator, product descriptions, logo creator. These all help you get your content set up super quickly, and it's the easiest way to build a complete sales platform for your digital products in a very quick amount of time using AI. And Host & Go will literally automate the entire process of delivering your digital products to your customers so that you can focus on actually running and growing your business. Okay, so I've left the link to Host & Go below. They actually have an insane 84% off sale on right now, and that's for their 48-month plan. You'll also get that additional 10% off on top with the coupon code Rochelle. Just keep in mind that offers can change depending on when you catch this video. Okay, so now you have your sales platform, but honestly, there's only so far that can go if you haven't set up your branding and your assets. And when we say things like assets, we talk about mock-ups, logos, images, and even personal brand photos, right? AI makes it possible to have your own AI personal brand photos. And so branding is another way that I'm using AI to bring my business to life. You can use free platforms like Google Gemini, Midjourney, two of my favorites, to create beautiful images, beautiful business images, beautiful product images, so you can create a really consistent and premium experience for your customers. Okay, so we've covered platform, we've covered branding. The next pillar in the AI sales framework is customer support and testimonials. Now, this is overlooked so much. People don't think about this until they start getting sales, but how are you actually going to support your customers, answer their questions quickly, get back to them when they ask you things, but also how are you going to collect your proof? Now, your proof is just any reviews, any emails you get from customers, basically telling you that they found your digital product helpful. Now, once you get proof, it is so much easier to make more sales. And this is why I always encourage you, don't spend too long creating your product. Create your V1, put it out there, get your social proof, get your feedback, and then you can always improve it. And so how do I do this? I'm actually using AI agents to scan my inbox and help flag where there's questions that I need to get back to for customers, right? Where there's important questions or emails that I need to get back to. I'm only one person in my business. I have hired my sister. There's only two of us to manage lots of customers. And while this might not be a problem now, it's definitely something that you should prepare for now for the future when you do have a lot of sales. And so I highly recommend using something like a ChatGPT agent, a Claude Cowork, or Tidio to help improve your customer experiences. Now, in terms of the reviews, I actually have a automation that goes out to every single person that buys my products and asks them to share their real thoughts and experiences. I highly recommend that you set something up like this too. It's simply an automated email sequence, and you should just comment proof down below if you want me to do a deep dive on how that works. More proof equals more sales down the line. Now, the fourth and final part of my AI sales stack is content. Content is the most important part. This is how you will market your digital product. And so making sure that you're coming up with the right content ideas and you're saying the right things in your content to make your digital product desirable and make people want to buy is one of the most important things that you can be doing in your business if you are serious about wanting sales and about taking this into your full-time millionaire status digital business. And so if you want to see how I'm using AI to come up with content ideas, to actually create my content quickly, and so I highly recommend watching the video on your screen right now, which takes you through all of my content secrets and how I use AI to come up with content to sell my digital products. I'll see you there.